Okay, to follow up on the previous video, I've, of course, cannot escape the car till I get it running. I have removed all 4 spark plugs. So I mentioned the car's had the engine fixed from Audi. As far as I know, I've seen evidence of that. I don't know whether they forgot to change. What's going on with this camera? Wow. I don't know if they've forgotten to change the plugs. I'd hope they did, because this poor guy, but the sealant's everywhere. It's just all over. I'm using these Brisk plugs today. They're a 60,000 interval because, as far as my experience shows, this car's going to do 500 Ks to 1500 Ks before it shits itself again. I'll make a third part of the video if a coil is faulty as well, but it shouldn't be. It looks like there's an engine fault, high oil consumption. It's an A5 tsfi. In fact, after I made the previous video, I realized that the plug has begun to disintegrate. The actual ceramic, see? So pinging, lean burn, all that sort of stuff, okay? And actually, you know, tight clearances that wear things out, obviously. I don't know, but we'll know soon. I'm sure people do know whether the ring clearances or what the fuck's going on with it. Anyway, that's part 2, and once it runs in the morning and I clear the ECUs, at the moment the car can barely drive with the DSG and the misfire. Once I clear it all up, I'll make a third part video when the car goes, just so you know that it wasn't a coil pack or whatever. So yeah, anyway, hope it helps.